Hello, my name is Isaiah Herrera Gonzalez, and today I talk to you about the past. Talking about the past. The last year I traveled to Medellin, and when I was here, something happened to me. One day I was driving my car when I saw a black cat in the middle of the street. The cat was near the car closely when it appeared. I stopped and got up my car carefully as I was getting out. The cat ran away from me and went back to my car and opened the front door. While I was getting in the car, the cat approached it again and sat down in the middle of the street. I started the engine, but the cat did not move and jumped out of the car and shouted at the cat. I followed the cat while it was running in front of me. When I come back home, I was surprised because I could realize that the cat was outside behind the car. Thank you.